Lungs are pair of respiratory organ. We have right and left lung. Each lung has an apex, base, that is also known as diaphragmatic surface, postal surface, medial surface. Postal surface because it is facing towards the ribs, and this is medial surface. Medial surface further divided into two. The anterior large part is mediastinal part, and posterior small part is vertebral part. Each lung has two borders. Anterior border which is sharp in both lungs, and posterior border is round and ill-defined. This is posterior border and this is anterior border. This is apex and this is base. Base rests on the diaphragm, that's why known as diaphragmatic surface. So anatomical position, always keep apex upward, base downward, sharp border anteriorly, rounded border posteriorly, this postal surface laterally, and this on the medial surface there is root of lung. So always keep root on medial side. This is correct anatomical position of each lung. Now difference between right and left lung. To differentiate right and left lung, you must know first lobes. In case of right lung, there are two fissures. By two fissures, there are three lobes. One is oblique fissure, one is horizontal fissure. This is upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. But in case of left lung, there is only single oblique fissure. So there are two lobes, upper lobe and lower lobe. There is no middle lobe. Second, in case of right lung, anterior border is continuous and sharp. There is no obliteration. But in case of left lung, there is presence of notch. This notch is cardiac notch, and just below the cardiac notch there is tongue-shaped projection that is known as lingula. So always remember, lingula and cardiac notch is the characteristic feature of left lung. It is absent in right lung because heart lies left side. So there is cardiac notch which is present on the left lung. Third feature is root of lung. The major difference in case of right lung, there are two bronchus, apartial and hypartial, two division. But in case of left lung, only single principal bronchus. And last, in right lung, there is on the posterior part of medial surface there is no impression. But in case of left lung, there is on the posterior part of medial surface there is impression for the descending thoracic aorta. Very important feature. There is impression of descending thoracic aorta is present only on the left lung. There is no impression on the posterior part of the medial surface of right lung. So these are the differentiating feature for the identification of right and left lung.